That's good. Am I being detained at all?
Huh? No.
Okay, cool.
Just stepping out talking to you.
You got the lights on. That usually is an indicator of being detained.
Yeah, you're not detained.
Okay.
It's on body cam. Not detaining you at all. I was just talking to you just to kind of see what's up to. I just putting the lights on so anybody coming out doesn't smash into
If
me.
they have another incident, will they be able to get out with the car parked there?
Yeah, they'll be able to get out. I'll make sure that takes. I got the radio so I can hear it. Taking pictures of the PD or?
No, that's just from Google Maps in case you're concerned if I'm here, that's all.
Yeah. I mean, obviously, pictures are taken, satellite images are taken.
Yeah.
We do conduct training and things in there, things, especially when it comes to, like
you can keep it. It's yours. I don't need it. I'm good. These are not mine as well, so I just want to let you know.
Gotcha.
In case you go that route, let's say these are your beers.
Officer Merrick, what's your name?
It's just controller guy, I guess you could say.
Controller guy?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, what brings you out here?
On the sidewalk, that's it.
We'll take a look at something real fast. I'm pretty sure there's a statute that governs as far as with FAA and drone usage over...
So am I detained now then? Am I detained now?
I'm just doing some gee-whiz information.
Yeah, that's just a quick question. If you're doing a research, you suspect me of a crime, I'm guessing, right?
I want to verify if there is statute on it. I'm not, I didn't get into law enforcement and immediately become 100% adept on all drone regulations.
Sure.
So I got to educate myself on it.
Definitely.
If you don't mind just hanging out with me while
I do. I'm going to probably head back there and just get going. But I've already filed a flight plan.
What's your, you filed a flight plan?
Yeah, there's a flight plan,
Do you have that with you? Or?
No, it's just filed with FAA. FAA, yeah.
How do you file a flight plan?
Just through their portal, yeah.
Like similar to, I'm a pilot, so
do you?
When we file flight plans, we call flight service station file flight plan.
Yeah, definitely.
How does it work with drones?
It's the same. It's pretty much the same way. It's just a portal and a database. So you have your active pilot's license now?
Yep.
Cool, very good. Same thing. Same with me.
So when I, it was all over the phone. When I file flight plans, we call FSS and file the flight plan.
Yeah, you check NOTAMs.
I didn't have an app.
Yeah, you get NOTAMs and do all that stuff and check ATIS.
I never did it on the app. I guess I need to update my use technology there.
Yeah, cool, very good.
So you have a flight plan filed for flying over the police department?
Yeah, it's just everything's flight. There's, if I remember correctly, and there's no law. You don't have any ordinances. You can't make any ordinances. The only one they can do is prisons. That's the ones that they can do for flying over prisons. Over here, it's a visible gate. So there's no, there's a fence, but you can reach over it and look into it, and just kind of like your code enforcement does, they look over fences and peek in there. So basically what they've done is the FAA Modernization Act says that the government can't make any laws on recreational or anything like that. For
as far as like drones and that sort of thing?
Yeah. And then, like I said, through the clear gated fence there, there's nothing you can do. So you got, if that was a shielded gate and you had maybe a rape victim or a domestic violence victim back there.
That's what I'm, just full disclosure, that's what I'm concerned with, because, for instance, when we deal with any juveniles they don't go in the jail. They're prohibited from going in the jail. We have a separate juvenile detention facility.
Yeah, definitely.
And as a result, when we bring juveniles in, we unload at the curb out in plain view, and, we take them in.
There's your magic word. You said out in plain view?
Well, plain view as in, behind the walls.
Yeah. So I don't think you have any juveniles there, so I don't know if you can really explore that, but...
No, I just letting you know that's just one of the concerns.
Yeah, but it's like I said, it's same in public. You can get those information redacted and so on and so forth. So yeah, I'm gonna head out this way. If you want to check it out, you can. I'll be heading down that way.
Yeah, I'm gonna check that statute. While I verify the statute, just hang out with me for a moment.
So am I being detained now then?
You're being detained for just so I can verify the statute.
Okay,
right?
so you suspect me of a crime?
I suspect that I'm pretty sure there's a statute governing over the police department.
Okay.
So right now, yes, I do suspect you of a crime. If there's no crime, then you'll be released.
Can you have your supervisor come down here as well?
Yeah, absolutely, no problem.
Like before you fully go into this detention that I'm being detained for?
No problem.
So you got to research and find the crime. You don't have it, and you don't have it.
No, it's maybe not for maybe a savant or something, but it's physically impossible for me to know every single law that's been written.
But you got to have confidence when you take someone's rights away, right? To stop them.
Yeah, absolutely. And I have confidence that there's regulations concerning privacy of the police department.
Yep.
And It's simply just information collecting. You know, we want to make sure that for the safety of our officers, especially in.
So it's information collecting, not a suspicion of a crime. I'm just trying to figure it out because
suspicion of if there's a crime there. I don't know. I don't know where your drone's at yet, so I can't verify because you won't give me any of your information. You won't tell me who you are. You won't tell me where your drone's at. So right now, there's a lot of things that I'm suspicious of. So, but I want to find that out. Now, if we can, you know, but the supervisor's on her way out.
But you don't have any type of like crime. If you have YouTube, there's a good one. I think it's with the Florida Highway Patrol. Very similar situation like this. And I'm not doing this for that. That's not the reason why I'm out here. But man, I don't know what the deal was. But
we have people hanging outside of a police department.
It's a public space
with the threats that we get against law enforcement.
But is that a crime that I'm doing?
It's a suspicion of it. You're a suspicious person.
Am I?
In front of a police.
What crime is there a statute like 78403 for suspicion? No. Is it loitering and prowling? If it was, then you'd have to read me my rights before you start talking to me, right?
I'm not asking you any questions.
No, yeah, you were.
What brings you out here?
Where's my drone? Do I have a pilot's license? Do I have this?
I don't know any of those.
Yeah, okay. But
since I told you that I wanted to do some research on what the statute was, I mean, just for, you know, if nothing else, both of us to have the 100% up-to-date information on it.
But that's why I have to stay here and be detained because you don't know.
Now you want to talk to supervisors, so they're on their way.
No, I mean, I don't need to stay and talk to them.
I want to collect information on
my issue.
Suspicious incident out in front of a police department.
But a suspicious incident's not a crime. That's the problem.
But it's something that law enforcement is, you know, that's our job, is to investigate things and find out if there's a crime.
But when you start detaining people, that's when you have to have 100% proof that you are suspected of a crime.
We have to have reasonable suspicion.
I'm just going on 10 or 12 years of law enforcement experience. That's all.
Okay. I appreciate your service.
No, I'm done with service. It's okay. But that's what I'm at right now. And you know,
but we have to have reasonable suspicion, which I think that
I can still recite probable cause. Can you do it? A reasonable ground for suspicion supported by circumstances sufficiently strong to warrant a cautious person. That's like the probable cause. Remember that in rookie school?
Huh?
A reasonable ground for suspicion supported by circumstances sufficiently strong to warn a cautious person that he or she is guilty of the crime that he is accused of. That's the probable cause.
Surveillance of a police
is not a crime.
Building is a suspicious.
This is surveillance.
Yeah, you're flying a drone.
I'm gonna go grab. I'm gonna grab flight radar 24 here. Merrick, can I go? Can I head out?
So it's before you fly. Is that the?
I just don't answer any other questions if you don't mind. Do you have any crime I'm suspected of? Because I need to get going. I'm a little bit late.
Trying to verify that flight plan.
Trying to verify the flight plan.
Yeah. Is that before you fly?
So that's what I'm asking you. If you're suspecting me of a crime still?
Filed under your name.
Are you still suspecting me of a crime? I got to get going.
Until I verify the information.
So you have state statutes or city ordinances against flying a drone? I'm just asking you a question. It's
FAA regulations against flying drones.
But are you a federal officer? You can enforce federal law?
We enforce federal laws all the time.
Tell me what federal law you enforce.
Huh?
Tell me what federal law you enforce.
You can't carry a firearm in a school zone. That's federal law.
That's a state law.
It's also a federal law.
That's why you can do it, is because it's a state law. Just because they carry over and they mirror each other doesn't mean that you can enforce federal law. You have state laws like that. So I don't know how long you've been on the force. I'm not trying to discredit you, but I don't know how you can enforce federal law. You can enforce a state statute that mirrors a federal law, but you don't have.
Is it before you fly out?
But that's what I'm asking you. If you suspect me of a crime, I need to get going. I don't think you have one. You don't have one. You're still fishing for one.
Is it filed under your name?
That's all I'm saying is to you is that if I can't get going, I got to get going.
Is the flight plan filed under your name so I can research?
So that's what I'm asking you. Is there a crime that's suspected? Because if you don't, I got to get going, sir. I'm not. I don't have to answer your questions if that's the case. But all I just want to do is get going if you don't have a crime. If you don't have something in Florida statutes from the 39s all the way to the 1000s, just let me get going. I can get going. Your supervisor's going to take too long. I don't want to wait for him. You're advising me.
She's not coming out, and since that was what you requested to do and you no longer want to do that, if you want to get on about your way, fine.
Thanks, sir. Appreciate it. There may be some other people coming down here flying, so just be aware. If you want to research it, that'd be the best thing to do. I can't fly a drone for 30 minutes. This thing's charging my phone. That's all this is doing. Silly.
So the drone that was over the police station earlier wasn't yours?
I'm not flying a drone right now. That's what we're talking about, right? So,
okay.
Thank you, sir. Go. Oh my gosh.
Officer Merrick expresses suspicion and states that he is detaining the cameraman to verify legal regulations. During the detention, he has to look up the law and check whether any flight plans have been registered. This behavior shows a lack of understanding of the law and an attempt to find a reason to charge the cameraman without any concrete evidence. If you believe this officer needs to be retrained, leave a number 5 in the comments below.
Hello, sir. Do you have an officer complaint form?
Officer complaint form. Let me look for it. We have one. Normally, this is handled at the internal affair.
I'm sorry? I don't hear very well.
Internal affair.
Okay.
Okay, that's where you go make a complaint.
Okay, do you have a complaint form here?
I don't know what I'm looking for.
Okay.
No, there's none. You have to go to the internal affair.
Okay. Hey, Sergeant. I'm asking for a officer complaint form.
Okay.
Yeah.
But the filming, what's the reason, what's the purpose on that?
Oh, I film everything I can see from the public.
Okay.
What-
Well,
what's
here
the-
you'll need a permit.
I'm sorry?
Here you'll need a permit.
I have a permit.
Okay, let's take a look.
Well, you could look it up. It's the First Amendment of the Constitution of the United States. Freedom
No,
of
you're
the
supposed
press.
to have a permit from our city on your person if you're going to film in this station.
That's not true.
Yes, sir. Do you have it with you or not?
No.
Let's step outside.
Is that a lawful order?
Yes, sir.
Can you show me a Florida state
Let's go
statute?
outside. I will.
All
Let's
right.
go outside.
He's saying that we need a permit to film in here. Oh, there are no officer complaint forms available? Are there? Sergeant?
Let's step out here.
Okay, it's nice and cool in here. Can we just stay in here?
Talk to you out here. If a complaint form is what you need on an officer,
Yes.
get that at Internal Affairs.
Okay, I can't get one here?
No. Internal Affairs handles that.
All right. Why are you getting so close to me?
I'm trying to see your face.
Why?
Because that's how people have conversations. Is there something wrong with your face?
Is there something wrong with this camera being in yours?
No. I
Okay.
just can't see your face because you're holding it in my face like a weapon.
No, I'm not holding it in your face like a weapon. And
Yeah.
be careful what you say because everything has an objective documentation right here.
I understand.
Watch out behind you.
Thank you.
So we have not committed a crime and we're being illegally trespassed. Is that right? Just to clarify? Is that to clarify? We're being trespassed? Are we being trespassed?
He already gave you the information that you need.
Well, no, he did not, devil dog. Okay, we swore the same oath, brother.
Okay. Number 5.
Do or die. Let's uphold our constitutional rights, please.
What is the business? What do you have?
I have business here. I want an officer complaint form. I just want it readily available. He said, the gentleman back there said that there's no officer. Can I come in, please? Please? Just so we could talk in the air conditioning, please?
Okay. Internal Affairs, you can go to
Thank
the
you.
Office of Internal Affairs, all right, and make you whatever complaint you have.
It should be readily available here. That's the purpose of my visit, is to find out if you do have that. You do not, which is unacceptable.
Complaint form in front of this?
They should. And we're allowed to film in here. Smith versus the City of Cummings. It's an 11th Circuit
In what
decision.
state was that?
Florida and Georgia. 11th Circuit Court.
Interesting.
It covers us. Your intimidation attempt is failing. Okay?
Private film company giving us a hard time.
We're not giving you a hard time. You're giving me a hard time.
I asked you to step out like 9 times.
And the staff sergeant just said I can come back
You can
in.
wait there.
He just told me I can come back in.
I don't know what a staff sergeant is, but you
Well,
wait
the
outside.
guy with the rocker and the 3 chevrons, that guy just said so. Uh-oh.
We don't have a staff sergeant.
Well, that gentleman who was just here, your superior.
Wants a complaint form.
That's right. I want 2 complaint forms now.
That's fine. You're gonna get what you need.
That's right.
Okay.
You're correct.
Okay. Listen.
Your superior officer gave me permission to come in here. I have objective documentation of that right here.
Okay.
So be careful. This is exactly why we're here. I have family and friends with shields.
Fantastic.
Yeah, and we're gonna get rid of you tyrants so they don't have to worry about that.
Sorry?
We're gonna get rid of you tyrants. People who are afraid of the camera, who are hiding something,
Nobody's afraid of anything.
then why are you acting like this? Why are you giving unlawful orders?
There's no unlawful orders.
Yeah, you said that you're not allowed to film in here?
Confrontational, and I think you're a little oversensitive.
You're the one who got confrontational. You think so?
Hi, how are you, sir?
Hi, fantastic.
I'm
How are
Commander
you?
Butler. How are you?
Fantastic, Commander.
What can we do for you?
I wanted 2 officer complaint forms, and I wanted one for him as well. He was giving us unlawful orders to exit the property. We have official business here. And the other, I don't know what his actual rank is, but it looked like a staff sergeant insignia. This gentleman gave me permission to come back in, and he was still trying to intimidate me, step in my face. I have it all documented right here.
Okay.
So
your reasoning for filming in here?
it's
It's the 11th Circuit, Smith versus City of Cumming. We have the right to
Case law.
public officials.
Excellent. So let's backtrack a moment.
Sure.
What is your official business here?
I want 2 complaint forms
For whom?
for 2 officers.
Okay. So you came here to file a complaint against an officer.
Yes, actually, I came here to get a complaint form.
Okay. Who are the officers?
I want to put it on the complaint form anonymously, and later on. I don't want to do it right here, right now, under scrutiny.
Okay.
That's my right.
Yes. Oh, yes, it is. It is.
Do we have?
We're civil rights auditors, and that gentleman,
that's
that
okay. You
sergeant
didn't
right there,
get
did
the- no,
trample
no,
on
it's
our
your right
rights.
to get,
He needs some more training. He definitely does. Because how long have you been a police officer?
You don't have to submit any media interviews here.
Okay.
LT, you got it? Thank you.
You're also free to file a complaint online, or you can call 305-835-2000.
Thank you. Very professional, Major Aguilar
You're very welcome.
and Commander Butler. Thank you. You're doing some cleanup, but didn't start off too well. And you'll see online. Borges, can I have your badge number, please?
1251.
Thank you very much. Very professional.
Let me go see.
And this gentleman was outstanding. He passed with flying colors. He answered me in Creole. He's an excellent employee right there. Is he a civilian employee or a sworn officer?
He is a sworn officer.
Right on. Well, he deserves a commendation. You'll probably get some calls about him.
I'm looking forward to it, sir.
You'll definitely get calls about the sergeant there. Not something to look forward to. We do this all over the state, and very few people act the way he did.
Okay.
And like I told him, I have friends and family with badges, and I know you can't call them out because they probably won't back you up or something. I don't have to worry about not getting back up or getting Serpicoed, you know what I mean? So we got to get rid of those guys.
There you are. He's waiting for you, sir.
Okay. And what's that sergeant's name?
Okay.
Fantastic. Thank you, Lieutenant Cooper. And then,
Here's another one if you need it.
okay, so this is just the procedure, the instructions, not the actual field where I fill in all this stuff. We do this all over the state. This doesn't look like anything I've seen before, but if you don't have the actual form,
The form is available
Online,
at
right.
miami-police.org.
Yes.
we do this for a lot of different people. Agoraphobes. Are you aware what an agoraphobe is? People who are afraid of leaving their home. When they find it, this is not doing anything to dispel their fears, by the way. Let me just add that. We do this so they can be able to run in here without having to talk to any of you, without getting the intimidation failure that he tried or anything. They could go and get that form. Did you get it off of that rack right there? Yeah.
We gotta make copies.
Right, they should be readily available and put up there. That's how every police station in our state is instructed to do. And
Well, the buck stops with me in this station. You can hold me accountable for that.
well, thank you very much. Accountability is a rare thing to see these days, Major.
Okay.
Thank you.
So you have.
I have what I need.
forms,
Yep.
You have the phone number for internal affairs, which I provided. You have the website, right?
Yes.
Okay. Is there anything else that we can do for you?
No, sir. Thank you. Just let me record. Thank you.
All right.
We're free to go, free to stay, right?
You are free. Never been detained at any moment.
No, but we were actually shoved out, and it was. You'll see it all on video.
Okay.
Well, and really,
Would you like to make a complaint right now? I can make it for you.
yeah. Just please tell him not to give unlawful orders.
Okay, so
Yeah.
I'll get all your info and I'll make sure it's sent over to internal affairs.
Okay. Rightscrispy@gmail.com.
Okay, let me get all of that.
RIGHTSCRISPY
Okay.
at
You have
gmail.com.
an ID?
No, I don't commit crimes. Therefore, I don't carry my ID with me. You know, Fourth Amendment right.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Just good piece of advice. I always do carry my ID in case I get hit by a bus. So
Okay.
the paramedics and officers know to call.
Right.
Just thought that was helpful.
Right.
Okay. Because you don't have to be a criminal to carry ID.
No, I know. I do have ID on me. But
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, what I did with that was.
Fingerprints.
So in order to take the complaint, I will need all of your information. Is that fine?
No.
You
No.
can do a complaint anonymously.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I gave you my email address in case you need to
Yeah,
reply.
I'm gonna get a pad and I'm gonna get as much info as I can.
Fantastic, Lieutenant.
The 121, complaining is anonymous, and whatever he told you about the alleged acts by the sergeant, and for that time.
Excellent. Thank you.
All right.
Those hash marks, you forgot to do something? You kept coming back for more, huh?
That's right.
All right, well, enjoy your retirement when you get it.
Thank you. Have a great day.
All right.
All right.
I'm kind of hard of hearing. I was in artillery in the Marine Corps.
So, all right. So, you said you needed a permit. He told you you needed to leave.
Yeah.
And what else did he tell you?
He actually got in my face over here. He started saying, "Oh, I want to see your face. I want to see your face." It was a really a bad intimidation failure. You know, I'm not a criminal. I don't need to be treated as such. I'm a good citizen, and I do need to be treated as such.
Yeah, I definitely understand.
Right on, brother.
And you're welcome to hang out as long as you want.
Okay.
This is a public station.
Thank you.
So, as long as you're not causing a disturbance, and right now you're not.
Right. No, we're done.
Yeah, you can,
Thank you.
You can hang out. All right, and I appreciate meeting with you and talking to you.
Right now. I'm already ready. Alrighty. Take care, Major. Yes, sir.
The form that you got is
Yes, sir.
actually should be included with a pamphlet. Again, that's on me. We didn't have copies of it. They're printing new copies of it, so you have a paper form to file a complaint as well.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you. Do you have a public records department here, Major? No? All right. I'll ask someone else.
No, the records things on the wall.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
It's posted there next to the door.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, they are printing it up? Is the Major having you guys print up a new packet? He said there's no packets available, and they're bad, but
Find out.
okay, thank you. I think he said he was printing it up. Oh, so you do have the packet. He's got it. Thank you. Oh, is that the packet for us?
No, I'm gonna submit it to Internal Affairs.
Oh, okay, but there's no actual packet. The Major said that they should have packets out here. He said that's my bad.
Yeah, we're gonna put on.
'Cause this is just
it's
the one
same-
page.
Yeah, it's the same info.
Okay.
This is pretty much all of the station's numbers.
Okay.
Internal Affairs numbers. It even has information about the Civilian Investigative Panel, and it explains the process to you. It explains everything.
Perfect. All right. Yeah, we didn't really have a problem with any other officer. I just came in to find out if you had that, and then the officer created a problem. We wouldn't have had a legitimate complaint until he came out and created it.
All right, we'll take care of it.
All right, brother.
Thank you for stopping by.
For sure, brother. So we're done running, right? We finished that. We have cars.
This is
Okay.
here's instructions. If you want to go online,
Right.
get the same papers online,
Okay.
or you can either download it or you can file the form online.
Okay. And that was Sergeant Velasquez?
Sorry?
The sergeant who shoved us out, that was Velasquez.
I
right?
gotta verify that because I wasn't here.
Okay.
So I don't know. I gotta.
Well,
verify.
I have 60 frames a second. I'll have his name in there. But if you don't know who that was,
I'm
which
not
one?
sure.
I don't know.
The sergeant the guy who had 3 stripes on his shirt when you came out.
Somebody else is here.
Remember he was at the door
He has a tattoo
outside
on
with
his
me?
arm, the
It happened
sleeve.
about 10 minutes ago. It's
I
really-
don't know. I was talking to you. I came in and talked to you.
Okay, and you let me back in the building when he was telling me, no, you can't. And you were professional, and you let me back in because you know it's my right as a legal, law-abiding citizen. Que debe respeto. I'm a veteran of the Marine Corps as well. And my family and friends have those badges. Those guys are the ones that are getting you hurt. Let's get rid of those guys. You don't want a Serpico situation, right?
Right.
So I take care of it for you, brother. And 20,000 people see
But
this.
listen, like I said, we have the forms. It's just a matter of, that's why I went in
Yeah, no.
Do the research and that's it. You know?
You're making yourself and your department look good. He made you guys look really bad. It's not me. It was him. I didn't do it. He said I was provoking. I didn't do anything except for ask for a complaint form. And like I told you, I didn't really have a complaint. I just wanted to see if you had the complaint forms.
As a matter of fact,
Right.
It's online. You can also go. I think he referred you to the officer in Philadelphia.
Yeah, but imagine I'm a hobo and they trample on my rights, and I want to come in here and make a complaint. I don't have.
Listen, we're a professional police department. I mean,
Well, if this camera wasn't rolling, I feel my face would have been on the ground, tased or something.
No. Listen, we're here to help everybody out. It doesn't really matter.
Okay.
You know who it is. It's just a matter of finding
I
the
will
right.
assure you, your complaint will be investigated thoroughly.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And I have the evidence here if you need it.
You want to submit that to IA, or do
I
you
will.
want to submit that to me?
Yeah, I'll send you the link to the channel with everything on it.
Okay, I'll give you my email address.
Please go to the. Yeah, sure. If you have that.
Yeah.
Oh, you have a
I'll
card?
write it down.
Okay, perfect.
But there you have the website as well.
Yeah, and you'll see on my channel. Take a look, brother, and you'll see.
What channel is that?
Rights Crispy.
So this is not gonna be public. I mean, as far I don't want all the viewers emailing me. Stuff.
You know, it's like peeing in a swimming pool, brother. You can't get it out after it's on the internet. If you get any emails, Lieutenant Cooper, they're going to let you know what a great job you did, if anything. Okay. Yeah, my viewers are fair. Everybody enjoys good interactions when they watch these audits. We're civil rights auditors.
I just got to make sure it doesn't crowd out all my work, my work stuff.
Right, you're not DT, right?
I don't want 20,000 emails.
No, you won't. And sometimes that happens if they find tyranny, you know? If we, the people, find tyranny.
Okay, I got you.
And that's what we're supposed to fight against. We swore an oath to the Constitution to defend that. Not to a guy, not to a flag, it's to the Constitution. And the First Amendment of the Constitution covers freedom of the press, freedom to redress our grievances, freedom to assemble, freedom of religion, and freedom of speech. Illinois.
All right.
And I love that. I love our country. First thing I did when I got out of the Marine Corps, I joined Alpha 66 and the Free Cuba Foundation. But my mother's Dominican. And Maximo Gomez era Dominicano too, and he took the machete to Cuba. I never stopped. And until you guys stop me or if somebody stops me, I'm going to keep going.
We're not gonna stop.
Okay, good. All right.
Good job. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Cuídese, Devil Dog.
Sergeant McGuffey claims that the cameraman needs a city permit to be allowed to film inside the police station. After the cameraman becomes more assertive and requests to file a complaint, higher-ranking supervisors step in to de-escalate the situation, provide the necessary information, and demonstrate a more professional approach. The video shows a clear inconsistency in how policies are enforced across different ranks. While Sergeant McGuffey attempts to stop the filming and order the citizen to leave, the supervising officers acknowledge the citizen's rights and work to correct the subordinate's conduct. The cameraman concludes that Sergeant McGuffey's actions made the department look bad, while the professionalism of the other officers helped restore some of that credibility. We share this video for informational and educational purposes only, and not to incite or encourage any form of confrontation with law enforcement.
To,
you can keep it. It's yours. I don't need it. I'm good. These are not mine as well, so I just want to let you know. In case you go.
YouTube thinks you'll love the video on the screen. Click to watch now.
Who are afraid of the camera, who are hiding something.
Nobody's afraid of anything.
Last but certainly not least, we extend our heartfelt thanks to the behind-the-scenes team who spent months making these videos possible.